Welcome to Ask Me, where Maine experts share their expertise with us.
Hi, my name is Caleb Smith, and I oversee the vegetation management program here at Versant Power. Trees are the number one cause of outages here on the Versant Power system, as Maine is the most forested state in the U.S., which is why we have a vegetation management program. We have a planned, proactive approach to keep our system reliable and keep our customers and our crews safe. You may see our crews anywhere from the coast of Maine to Bangor to the potato fields of Aroostook County. We maintain over 2,500 miles each year of our infrastructure, and we use contractors to help us complete that work. We have a custom vegetation management software that we use to plan and manage our cycle maintenance work that we can collaborate with our contractors on to follow the work through to completion. As our crews are performing cycle maintenance, they are following industry standards to preserve the health of the tree and promote future growth away from our infrastructure. As part of our distribution maintenance program, we also target risk trees. And risk trees are anything that is dead, dying, disease, compromised, that has the ability to strike our infrastructure and cause an outage. We manage our transmission system on a 4-year cycle, and that is the large lines that are in our right-of-ways that run substation to substation. The goal of our vegetation management program is to reduce outages, but in the case of bad weather, it also helps shorten the time frame for our line crews to get to you and restore power. If you're considering adding a new tree to your property, please keep the lines in mind. You can find more about planting guidelines and our vegetation management program at versantpower.com/trees.